Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the fear of missing out. This is also known as FOMO, and a lot of people go through this. It affects your mental health a lot. FOMO will pressure you to get involved in activities which you don't enjoy just because you don't want to miss out on interacting with people or doing some activity, and you might end up overexerting yourself. How I realized I have FOMO is that I'm a very introvert person who can live independently. I don't have emotional needs, I don't have physical needs, apart from food, yeah, and by God's grace, I have a good job. I earn a good salary. I'm managing all my bills by myself. For 6 months, my husband is here. For 6 months, he's out of this country. He's traveling for his job. So what happens that for the 6 months he's here, I'm very involved with him. I'll go outside all the time with him, and I mostly do all my activities with him. I have couple of my reservations. He has couple of his hobbies which we like per separately. Apart from that, we do everything together. So he's kind of partner in crime. He's my best friend. When he's not there, I do miss him, but I don't miss being out with a friend. It's not that I feel that I should have group of friends who are going to nag all the time to go out or have fun somewhere or go to bar. First of all, I'm teetotaler. I don't drink at all. I don't smoke. I don't like to talk a lot over the phone. It kind of drains my energy out. I like to put my energy into fruitful things throughout the day, like I do walking, sometimes I do yoga, I make videos, I learn new skills which will help me in my job. So that is what I like to do throughout the day. And weekend is the only day where we get time to work on all our postponed activities and basically rest a little bit, rest your brain a little bit. And every fourth weekend I'm on call, so those 2 days I'm always checking alerts and working. It's like I end up working 8 hours on weekends as well. So the other three weekend, that is like I dedicate to my own personal time and stuff. So with this kind of lifestyle, I don't have time or energy, emotional energy to invest in some friend. It takes a lot of effort to make friends. When I was doing my masters, that is what I did. Because I came from India, I used to feel homesick and miss my relatives, miss my friends a lot. In India, there were someone or the other who was always calling me. I had a lot of network over there, but here I didn't know anyone. A couple of friends, maybe couple of friends, but not anyone locally. They were like from other city and used to check on me if I'm doing well or not. I'm blessed to have those kind of friends as well in US too. So talking to them was more than sufficient to me, but I had a fear of missing out during my master's. So I started making friends. I started interacting with people a lot. Whenever they say, let's go out, have something to eat, let's go out, do something, any kind of activity, I used to get involved in that, and it was so draining. By God's grace, I made very good friends, like 4 or 5 friends from different communities, different ethnicity, and I love that I was able to make friends, and I love them. They are very good people, hardworking, and same ideology like me. But after that, I'm already over 30. I seriously, while working, I don't think so I will have that much energy to go out and make such friends like the ones I had back in my masters. I'm still in touch with them. I have a lot of people to talk to, at least 4 or 5 people to talk to, call and just pour my heart out to them. But I don't even call them because talking is draining out my energy for me. Until and unless I'm very emotionally charged, I don't call my friends. I do keep in touch with them, of course. I'm not a very rigid person. I do message them, text them. We do make plans to meet, although we haven't been able to follow through those plans because of COVID, of course. But I have a plan in my mind when I'll be visiting them. And since the day I joined my job, I had to move. I haven't been to office, so I really don't know anybody over there too. There's no one to call a friend from office, but it's still fine. I can manage living by myself, work independently. I don't have any kind of needs, thankfully. But when my friends, they mention I went out with a group, I am hanging out with so and so friend at a bar, at the back of my mind it triggers something that I feel I have to do that too. That fear of missing out. And that is what I realized few months back when I was like brainstorming with my husband, like what is this feeling? I really don't have time or energy to invest in a new friend now. What is that feeling I have? He just analyzed it randomly. You have fear of missing out, my friend. And I was like, dude, the goal of my life now is to learn living by myself without going through this FOMO. It's a pretty natural thing to do, but if I'm a grown up, I should learn how to combat with this. For that, what steps I'm taking is involving myself into positive habits. I'm a person who goes into depression pretty easily, and FOMO is one of the major trigger for that. So what I do is I involve myself in leisure activities, like small and big ones both. I joined yoga classes. I was very regular to yoga before my husband came, like he left few days back. I will try to be very regular again with the yoga. So I made quite a bit acquaintances over there. At least, we can go and chat. Then I was thinking of joining a K-pop dance class. I wanted to join a Bollywood dance class, which specializes in Indian movie dancing. But I didn't find any here, so I will be joining a K-pop dance class because I like their dance, I like their songs. So that is one of the plans I have. Apart from that, I use art book to de-stress myself. I paint, not exactly paint, I color. It's a coloring book and I just use color pencils to color it. That is kind of a de-stressing activity for me. Then I record videos. I learn new skills. I like coding, so I try to do my automation during the weekend sometime. Not as not as a planned work, but since I like it, I enjoy it for a couple of hours. I like to dedicate to automation. I learn new skills. I learn new commands. That is what I want to do. So that is one thing I do. Then another thing is I watch a lot of movies. I'm a movie buff. I like to watch good movies, good series. So I just watched a Chinese drama, which was pretty good romantic drama to me. So I watched that, and that is what I involve myself in. Apart from that, I know a couple who live like right across my block, just a couple of buildings away. So yes, I do go and interact with them, but after even interacting with them, I don't feel fulfilled. So what I derived that I don't need friends. I really need to get rid of this FOMO feeling so that I can live my life peacefully. And that is what I'm trying to do. And let's see how it goes. I will update you guys. And that's it for today. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.